Welcome to our Synergy Indicata tutorial on effectively managing result areas. In this session, we'll walk you through the process of adding and maintaining result areas to enhance the structure of your result framework. Let's dive right in. Result areas stand as the building blocks of your result frameworks. They represent the various levels within the framework, helping you structure your goals effectively. These framework levels outline goals, outcomes, outputs, and other instances that articulate your theory of change. These levels demonstrate the logic of how your project activities will lead to the outputs, which in their turn lead to the outcomes and ultimately the goal. To explore and manage result areas in your framework, access the Manage Framework menu. Within the Data tab of the Framework Configuration window, you can add or edit a framework level. The list we can choose from represents all available result areas in our library, allowing us to align them with our theory of change. Upon inspection, we've identified that there is a need to rename the Outcome result area to Strategic Outcome. As we see, strategic outcomes are not present in our list, and we must communicate any identified need for result area changes to administrators or other authorized personnel. They'll access the result area library in Synergy Indicata, updating entries based on your request. Managing result areas is straightforward. All administrators need only to provide a meaningful name for the result area and save the change. Let's proceed with the requested adjustment in the result area library. We'll not rename the existing outcome result area to strategic outcome, but will introduce a new result area called strategic outcome. After adding the new result area, let's make sure that the strategic outcome result area is successfully integrated in our library. We can achieve this using the search mechanism or browsing for the entries. Now let's revisit your framework to see how this adjustment is reflected in it. We'll access the list of the result areas and locate the newly added strategic outcome. Now we can easily add it to our framework. And that's all. Managing result areas in Synergy Indicata allows you to make impactful changes to our result framework. Thank you for watching. To explore all the features the system offers for effective framework management, visit our Synergy Indicata video library.